Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Uber Freight app, a platform that promises to make shipping and trucking easier for drivers and carriers. But is it really worth using? Let's find out. What it is. Uber Freight is a mobile app that connects truck drivers and carriers with shippers looking to move freight. Its main purpose is to simplify the process of finding loads, scheduling shipments, and managing payments in one convenient platform. How it works. Truck drivers sign up, create a profile with their truck and license details, and browse available loads in real time. They can accept shipments, track deliveries, and get paid quickly once the job is completed. The app also provides upfront pricing, automatic route planning, and tools to manage invoices and paperwork digitally, making the logistics process smoother. Who it's for. Uber Freight is mainly for truck drivers, independent carriers, and small trucking businesses who want to find loads efficiently without relying on traditional freight broker networks. It's especially useful for drivers looking for flexible schedules and consistent payment. What people are saying. Many users praise Uber Freight for its user-friendly interface, quick payments, and real-time load availability. On the downside, some drivers report that competition for high-paying loads can be tough, and occasionally pricing may vary depending on demand. Pros: easy to find and book loads, upfront pricing and fast payments, digital tools for invoices and route management, flexible for independent drivers. Cons: competition for premium loads, pricing can fluctuate based on market demand, may not replace full-time freight broker networks for larger carriers. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you're an independent trucker or a small carrier looking for a simple, reliable way to find and manage loads, Uber Freight is worth trying. It's convenient, fast, and keeps your operations organized. And that wraps up my Uber Freight review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.